Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. These appeals have been filed by the accused persons who were convicted and sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for 10 years by the Additional Session Judge Sonipat under Section 120B of the Indian Penal Code (IPC). The appellants were convicted along with two other co-accused who were convicted under Section 392 and 397 of IPC and Section 25 of the Arms Act. All the accused persons preferred appeals before the High Court. The High Court reduced the sentence of the accused for the offences under Section 397 and Section 120B of IPC from 10 years to 7 years only. However, rest of the sentence for other offences remained undisturbed. Brief facts of the case are that the complainant Balkishan and his nephew Sanjay were going on a motorcycle carrying rupees 46,000 with them in the dicky for purchasing a piece of land. While they were near a farm, two accused persons, Manjeet and Bijender, not appellants herein, came from behind in Maruti car. They brandished country-made pistol and asked the complainant to stop, and as the complainant stopped, the accused persons asked them to hand over the money. The complainant handed over the key of motorcycle to them. The accused persons took out the money and sped away. The complainant gave the information of this incident to ASI Rajinder Kumar, whom he met on the way to the police station. On the basis of this information, an FIR was registered at Sonepat police station. The accused were charge-sheeted for the offence punishable under sections 120B, 392 and 397 of the IPC and section 25 of the Arms Act. The trial court convicted all the four accused persons and sentenced them for various offences. Accused Manjeet and Bijender were sentenced to undergo 5 years rigorous imprisonment and to pay a fine of rupees 5,000 each under section 392 of IPC. They were further sentenced to undergo 10 years rigorous imprisonment and to pay a fine of rupees 10,000 each under section 397 of IPC. Accused Manjeet was further sentenced to undergo 1 year's rigorous imprisonment and a fine of rupees 500 under section 25 of the Arms Act. Accused Mukesh and Subhas, appellants herein, were sentenced to undergo 10 years rigorous imprisonment and to pay a fine of rupees 10,000 each under section 120B of IPC, as according to the trial court, the robbery was committed after the conspiracy hatched with them.